Get ready to embark on a journey into a realm of shimmering possibilities, a place where the future unfolds in vibrant colors and enticing glimpses. Forget your everyday ideas about tomorrow. We're about to take a step back in time to experience Disney's Horizons, an Epcot attraction so groundbreaking and filled with optimistic visions that its absence still evokes wistful sighs from Disney enthusiasts. Imagine walking into a pavilion that pulses with the promise of tomorrow. This isn't a sterile, cold, robotic future. Instead, it's a warm, inviting, and utterly captivating experience. Picture yourself gliding through scenes, showcasing thriving underwater colonies, advanced agricultural techniques in arid landscapes, and the exhilarating opportunities of space exploration, all brought to life with Disney's signature blend of immersive environments and engaging storytelling. This wasn't just an exhibit. It was a journey into a future brimming with innovation and human ingenuity, a testament to the boundless potential that lay ahead. For many who experienced it during its time at Epcot's Future World, Horizons was not just another ride, it was an experience. It sparked imaginations, ignited a sense of wonder, and left visitors pondering the exciting possibilities of the 21st century. It was a cornerstone of Epcot's original mission, to entertain and inspire, showcasing the wonders of human achievement and the limitless horizons of the future. However, like a shooting star that blazes brightly and then fades into the night sky, Horizons eventually disappeared from the Epcot landscape. The optimistic visions it presented gave way to an empty space, leaving behind a legacy of what could have been. So, what happened to this beloved glimpse into tomorrow? Why did Disney, a company synonymous with dreams and innovation, choose to close the doors on its own vision of the future? The story of Horizons' closure is complex, woven with evolving park strategies, corporate decisions, and the ongoing challenge of keeping a futuristic attraction relevant in a rapidly changing world. To understand its demise, we need to explore its creation, its celebrated run, and the various factors that ultimately led to its untimely end. Horizons was conceived as a centerpiece attraction for Epcot Center's opening in 1982. It was designed to embody the optimistic and forward-thinking spirit of Future World, taking guests on a journey through potential future scenarios across various aspects of human life, family life, work, and leisure. Unlike some of the more scientifically focused pavilions, Horizons aimed for a broader, more human-centered vision of the future. It showcased how technological advancements could positively impact everyday life, creating a sense of hope and excitement for what was to come. The pavilion itself was an architectural marvel, a sleek and modern structure that hinted at the futuristic journey within. The ride system was innovative for its time, utilizing General Electric's Omnimover technology. This technology allowed guests to be continuously rotated to face different scenes, ensuring everyone had the best possible view. The journey began with a captivating pre-show that set the stage for the adventure ahead. Guests were then ushered into their Omnimover vehicles and embarked on a breathtaking tour of future possibilities. Imagine gliding through a vibrant underwater research facility, where families lived and worked in harmony with the marine environment. Picture vast, technologically advanced farms in arid regions, showcasing sustainable food production methods. Envision exhilarating journeys into space, with glimpses of lunar colonies and interplanetary travel. Each scene was meticulously crafted, filled with intricate details and cutting-edge special effects for its time. The narration was optimistic and engaging, painting a picture of a future where human ingenuity and collaboration had led to a better world. One of the most memorable aspects of Horizons was its Choose Your Own Future finale. At the end of the ride, guests were presented with a screen offering different pathways, returning to the underwater city, exploring the desert agriculture project, or continuing the journey into space. Guests could press a button corresponding to their preferred future, and a short film clip showcasing that particular scenario would play in the final moments of the ride. This interactive element added a layer of personalization, making each ride through slightly different. Horizons quickly became a beloved Epcot attraction, praised for its optimistic vision, immersive storytelling, and innovative technology. It perfectly encapsulated the original spirit of Future World, inspiring guests to dream big about the possibilities of tomorrow. Despite its initial popularity and critical acclaim, Horizons faced several challenges throughout its lifespan that ultimately led to its closure. One major issue was the rising cost of maintaining and updating the attraction. The intricate sets, special effects, and omnimover system required substantial resources to operate smoothly. As technology advanced, the original effects began to appear dated, and the prospect of a major overhaul to modernize them became a costly undertaking. Additionally, Epcot itself started to undergo gradual changes in the late 1990s. There was a growing emphasis on incorporating more intellectual property, characters, and stories from Disney films into the park to attract a broader audience. While Horizons celebrated human ingenuity in the future, it lacked the familiar Disney characters that were becoming increasingly prominent in other Epcot attractions. The futuristic themes presented in Horizons, which were groundbreaking in the 1980s, also struggled to remain relevant as time progressed. Some of the technologies and scenarios depicted in the ride may have started to feel outdated as the 21st century approached. Keeping a future attraction consistently fresh and engaging in a rapidly changing world is an ongoing challenge. Another factor was the shifting priorities within the Walt Disney Company. As new parks and attractions were developed globally, resources and investment were often directed toward these newer projects. Maintaining older attractions, particularly those requiring significant updates, sometimes took a backseat. In the mid-1990s, rumors began to circulate regarding Horizons' future. The attraction started experiencing more frequent closures for maintenance, and its operating hours were sometimes reduced. These signs hinted at potential challenges and an uncertain future. In 1999, Disney officially announced the closure of Horizons, a decision that disappointed many loyal Epcot fans who cherished the attraction's optimistic vision and unique charm. The official reason for the closure was the need to make way for a new attraction. However, the space that once housed Horizons remained empty for a significant period after its closure. This led to speculation among fans that the decision was motivated by factors beyond simply requiring the space for something new. Eventually, the area previously occupied by Horizons was used for the construction of Mission Space, a thrilling simulator ride that opened in 2003. While Mission Space offered a more intense and technologically advanced experience, it lacked the broad, optimistic vision of the future that had made Horizons so beloved. Despite its closure, Horizons' legacy endures. For those who experienced it, the attraction remains a powerful symbol of Epcot's original mission and a poignant reminder of a time when the future felt full of boundless potential. The iconic Choose Your Own Future finale particularly left a lasting impression, empowering guests to actively participate in their vision of what lay ahead. The optimistic narration and beautifully crafted scenes continue to be fondly remembered and discussed by Disney enthusiasts. Even today, remnants of Horizons can be found within Epcot, serving as subtle nods to a bygone era. The distinctive geometric design of the pavilion is still visible, and some of the musical themes from the ride have been subtly incorporated into other areas of the park. For those who never had the chance to experience it firsthand, the stories and memories shared by its fans offer a glimpse into a future that, while no longer physically present, continues to inspire and intrigue. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.